Hi, welcome to this video of how to connect S Empire to a Bitget exchange. There's a difference between a Bitget exchange and a Bitget wallet. A Bitget wallet is used to store your funds. You can import any other wallet into it, while a Bitget exchange is for trading. So we'll connect this S Empire to a Bitget exchange, and you should know that S Empire provide OKX, Bybit Exchange, Bitget Exchange, and eBit Exchange, and the on-chain airdrop. For OKX, Bybit, Bitget, and eBit Exchange, they don't need gas fee. So I've done a tutorial on this before on how to connect a Bybit. You can see it at the top there, and at the end of this video you will see it how to connect a Bybit exchange. Watch to the end. Let's go straight to how to connect an S Empire to a Bitget exchange. Let's go to Bitget exchange. You can see on your phone, you will see Bitget Wallet and Bitget. Click on the Bitget. So on this Bitget platform, what S Empire require is your UID and your S Empire deposit address from a Bitget exchange. Exchange. These are the two things they require: your UID and your S Empire deposit address. Let's go to how we'll see our UID first. Our UID, you come to the top, then this indication of your picture, it's a profile. You see your UID there. That letter UID is your UID. That is number one. Two, to get S Empire deposit address, let's go back. When immediately you open your Bitget exchange, come to access. On your access, go to add fund. Then on the add fund, go to deposit cryptos. On the deposit crypto, you don't need to scroll. What you do, you go to S. Then you will see S Empire. On the S Empire, remember we said what S Empire requests is UID, Bitget UID, and the S Empire deposit address. Bitget UID and the S Empire deposit address. You can see I've shown you the where to find your Bitget UID. Then this is where to find the S Empire deposit address. You see it here. This is the deposit address. These are the two things they requested, and these are the two things that you must do in order for you to receive your S Empire token on Bitget wallet. If you are just joining me for the very first time, please do well to subscribe so that anytime I update, you'll be the first to be notified.